Nice front, gentlemen.
Diaz, who invited the spooks?
This is a company op, Anderson. I've agreed to let you take point, as long as you don't fuck things up.
Oh, you mean like I did in Sarajevo?
Just stick to the script this time and we won't have any problems.
3 months ago, a crew of Russian mercs raided a secure biolab in Siberia. They made off with a shitload of weaponized African hemorrhagic fever. Stuff makes the Black Death look like a head cold. This morning, we received confirmation they have a buyer here in the Philippines. Kalalo, Filipino national, shot caller for Abu Sayyaf, which means he's high up on Al-Qaeda's Christmas list. SecDef has designated Kalalo a target of opportunity. Kill on sight.
Do we have an idea on the Russian principal?
Not at this time, but that doesn't change our objectives. This task force will put down all parties at that transaction site and recover that bioweapon. Understood? Good hunting.
Что за фигня?
Clear, let's go. Hold. Weapons cold. Contact one soldier. On my mark.
Ready. Got any intel on how secure that radar is?
Scarce. It's been blocking our view quite effectively. That's why we need to take it down. Otherwise, our exfil's gonna turn into Operation Shitstorm once we hit that hotel. Looks like they're alone. Let's sync up. Right one's mine. Get ready. 3, 2. Stop. Fuck, that was close. There's too many. We need to dodge them. Move on my go, but keep your head down. Follow me.
Тебе нужно привыкать все время врать, если хочешь нормальной жизни на той базе.
Ну и кто теперь умник?
Я просто пытаюсь подготовить тебя к реальности.
Stick with me, Anderson.
Что у тебя есть?
Американец, судя по акценту. Говорят, муштрует всех так, что беда прямо. Подъем в 4 и сразу на пробежку по этим драным джунглям. Потом до 10 стрельбища. Готовься к монашеской жизни.
They're coming this way. Stay still.
Недавно я получил сообщение по рации. Где-то у нас...
You hear that? What American are they talking about?
I haven't the faintest idea, but let's worry about that later. We've got bigger fish to fry. Okay, let's move. Careful.
Скорее всего, нет. Босс отдал какой-то новый приказ, и теперь все носятся как ужаленные. Что-то явно происходит.
Передаю приказ.
Голову не высовывать. Видите или слышите что-то подозрительное?
Engine, get down. Let them pass.
Ага. Ты вообще в ад служил? Нет. Нас подразделение ненадолго отправили в Индию. Да, это была приятная война.
Anderson, follow my lead. Stay low. Get the nearest one. Leave the other to me. Let's have a look. Multiples around that central strip of land. We gotta play this out carefully. Stand by. I'll call out your shots.
Ready.
Heads up. Tango advancing in our direction. Take the... Belay that. Boats in our vicinity. No shot.
God damn it.
Yeah, I know. Let's wait him out.
Что случилось? Почему ты тут остановился?
Чертов двигатель заглох.
The pier's too crowded. There's bound to be a window of opportunity soon, though. Stay sharp. Okay, guy on the pier's alone. Weapons free. Send it, Cole. One Tango by the campfire's mobile. Let's see where he's off to. On the left. Let's take him, same time. Good work, come on. Razor 3-1, give me a sit rep.
This is 3-1. Encountering minimum resistance throughout the West River Bank. A RT at the rendezvous is on target, over.
Copy that 3-1, steady as she goes, Keller.
Hoorah! Stay low.
Stop. Follow me. Stay low. Keep close.
В основном золото.
Okay, let's move.
Парочку камней
Careful.
и еще часы.
Конечно же я вас свяжу. Даешь мне половину и дело в шляпе.
Свяжешь? Твою мать, ты серьезно?
Эй, придурок, посмотри вокруг. Ты на чертовом
I hear
вонючем
something.
острове. И тут некому сбывать вещи. Хочешь сбыть свои
Боже мой,
драгоценности?
ты похож на зомби.
Разберись без меня.
В зеркало
А я
смотрелся?
половину.
Когда ты превратился в такого жадного ублюдка?
Нормально.
The hell is that?
Civilian sports plane, very old design. Looks unstable. Think it's safe to set up?
I don't think we have a choice. Damn thing's blocking our view.
After you. Oh shit! Let's finish this quick and pack up. Let's have a look. Weapons cold for now. This ain't gonna be easy.
It never is.
Camp's right side is a no-go. Too much exposure in the water, we'd get shredded to pieces. First things first, check the two on the sandbank fixing the boat. Take out the one by the engine first. Now tag the second one. Sniper in the highest house. He's #1 priority. Eyes on left side. One guy's circling that building like a vulture. Wait till he ducks behind the left wall.
кусок металлолома наконец упал с утеса. В квадрате чисто.
Come on.
Two hostiles lined up favorably for a double kill.
Be discreet. Good shooting. Okay, let's move. Careful. We'll need a diversion to break through to the beach. Let's plant C4 in the house. The distraction should make a gap in their defenses.
Roger. Okay, charges are set.
Okay, let's move. We'll blow the charges when we got some distance.
Сам по себе он взорваться не мог!
Что ты тут встал? Туши огонь!
Let them
Твою
pass.
мать! У меня там заначка была!
It worked. Let's move it. Okay, let's move. Careful. Into the water, quick!
Парни, мы в Сингапуре.
Ну да, только что с погребом партию часов. Роликс.
Поможешь с ним связаться? У меня набралось приличных драгоценностей залогом. В основном золото. И есть парочка камней.
Distant. Yeah. These ruins should cross to the jungle. Then it's a straight shot to the Overwatch.
Обыщите местных.
Hold it! Hold your fire.
Не стой, вперед!
Clear. Take the shot. Clear. Go. Contact. Let's take them same time.
Парни, мы из Сингапура.
Tango's down, advancing. Multiple tangos beneath us. We need to shift their attention before moving.
I got eyes on the truck's fuel tank. Should cause quite a racket.
Go for it. We're good to go. Take the shot. Good kill. On the move.
status. Uniform, our backs are secure. Enemy forces are neutralized or preoccupied. Proceeding to rendezvous. Solid copy.
Okay, Cole, this is my stop. I'll back up Keller and his men. You secure a good position on the church's bell tower. Good luck.
And to you.
Enemy boat inbound. Dive. Stay submerged. Let it pass. I'm in position at the west side of the train yard. Anderson, what's your ETA?
I'm topside, heading for the church entrance now. In position, settle the 50 cal. What's the game plan here?
This is Keller. I'll take point on this one. 3-2. Do you have visual on your position?
Roger, I see you.
Cover our advance up the hill. Cortez and Nichols, you're on me. Diaz, you're on lookout. Rest of you, secure this position for extraction. We got a hostile on the pier ahead of us. Weapons cold. Support, we're behind the pier. Shoot the hostile on patrol. We'll catch the body. Send. Package secure. Anderson, hostiles by the first hut on the shore. Don't engage them yet. Let's wait them out. Place your shots when their backs are turned to each other. We need to maintain concealment as long as possible. Nice shot. Tag the other one. Send it. Looking good. Keep it nice and quiet. Hostile to your left on the balcony. Anderson status.
Clear to proceed.
Affirmative. Diaz, you're on lookout. Bay has been secured. Moving to next checkpoint. Eyes all around your heads, people. Contact. Sniper in the tower. Bring him down before he spots the bodies on.
The hell?
Enemy chopper! Cease fire! Cease fire! Anderson, you need to sit this one out. We're in a bad way if he spots us.
Acknowledged.
Let him go. Don't make a move on that damn tower.
Tango down.
3 marks on the platform. We need to synchronize. Take the first shot. We'll clean the rest. Hide. Patrol ahead, 2 men. Don't let him raise an alarm. Clear, double time. 3-1, be advised, I have no visual on your 6 behind the buildings. Roger that. Ready to link up. Over. Cole, I'm heading to them. Keep me covered.
Diaz, I got 2 tangos in your AO. First on the platform closer to you, second on the footbridge. That one's mine.
Got it.
You're clear.
Got it. 3 mobiles ahead. Hold off for now. Let's see what they do. Let's have a look. Weapons cold for now. Looks like they're having a chit-chat. Cut it off. Razor, see those 3 up ahead? An angle. Engaging. Okay, we're clear. Almost in position here. We need to clear out the rest of those hostiles. 2 targets blocking my route. Start picking them off when the patrolling sentry's back is turned.
Roger. Hey, I'm gonna hold you to that.
I've linked up with our boys. We're getting ready to assault the radar. How copy?
Solid copy. I got your 6.
Engaging. Suppress those fuckers! That's it! Line them up! Assaulting! You hear that, man? Push! Double time!
Into their system shouldn't be a problem. Intel suggests most of the gear is post-Soviet in origin.
Roger. Target reached. Uploading the virus now.
Отведи его в комнату босса рядом с вертолетной площадкой. С ним ничего не должно случиться, понял?
Да, сэр. Я готов спорить. Если он попадет к телохранителю босса, то ему придется опять отмывать стены.
We need to relay this data to JSON. We'll keep you posted. Anderson, go ahead and continue towards the transaction site. 3-1 will clean up any stragglers and catch up via boat.